State public health officials say based on the numbers, the outlook for COVID-19 this summer is cautiously optimistic. And an infectious disease expert at Dartmouth-Hitchcock in Lebanon agrees.
It's so hard to predict a situation that's been largely unpredictable. But I think as our numbers have shown, our cases each day are getting smaller. And I think overall, more importantly, the percent positivity, so the number of cases actually turning positive out of those that we're testing on a daily basis, has really come down. So I think, we're following the trend that we were hoping for, and the question is what's going to happen come the fall.
Dr. Antonia Altomare says the big question mark is how reopening schools will impact the spread of the virus.
I think we're all a little concerned about the coming fall for a lot of reasons. I think there's actually quite a few downsides of our children not being at school, but there's just as much risk, certainly, of infection spreading.
Dr. Altomare says New Hampshire owes its temporarily advantageous position to effective social distancing, but she says the virus is still present here in the community and can easily begin to spread more quickly if people begin to let their guard down.
I think people have been really good about the social distancing, so maintaining a 6-foot at least minimum between person to person and wearing masks. And although things have started to open up, I think people have been a little reluctant, although I've noticed some more hustle and bustle. People really are wearing masks when they're out. They're really not having large congregate settings. And I think, time will tell as more things open up and more people start gathering in large groups, whether we're going to see an increase in cases.
In Manchester, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.